be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm doing another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time I'm showing you some of my glamest fall decorating ideas. I hope you enjoy. Guys, since my last decorating ideas for fall video, my mind's been overdrive in what direction I wanted to go for the fall season. It's currently winter here in Australia, and every year I play along with the rest of the world as they prepare for fall. Now, I shopped my own home here, guys, and I picked out my most glamorous pieces to incorporate into my fall decor. Last year I picked up this beautiful gold glam wreath from TK Maxx, as well as this stunning gold crystal garland. Now, also from TK Maxx, a few years ago I picked up these beautiful lighted canvases. I absolutely love these, guys, and they're one of my favourite pieces that I ever got from TK Maxx. I also had two of these glam cushions, guys, that I picked up a few years ago from Pillow Talk, and as you can see, I'm going with a very gold theme here, and I absolutely love the glam details. Had this stunning glam table runner, guys, that my beautiful friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted to me. I love this table runner so much, guys. It is so glam and goes perfect with my decor. Now, a little trick that I do here, guys, is I place my table runners across my coffee table. This is my Ottoman coffee table, and a little trick that I like to do is I take the table runner and I lap it over in the middle. And what I'm going to do here is to cover up the lap that's in the middle, I'm going to place my mirrored tray on top.
Now I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Now, you remember from my previous video, I placed in the centre this beautiful big white lace pumpkin that was from TK Maxx last year. But I wanted to add a little pop of glam as well, guys. So I've added some glam pumpkins to the front.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Now, I continued to shop my own home, guys, and came across a DIY that I did from last year. This was an orange Halloween pumpkin that, if you remember, I did a DIY on, and I had the letters Boo written on the opposite side. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to revamp my old DIY, and I wanted to add some fall touches. So I'm taking one of these beautiful glam gold leaves, and I'm going to hot glue that to the centre of my pumpkin. I'm going to take a dollar store glitter bow and hot glue it to the top. I also have two of these spotlight brooches that I always use in my DIYs, guys, and I'm going to hot glue one at the top and bottom of the pumpkin. is such a simple and inexpensive DIY. With everything that's going on in the world, it's very hard to go out shopping lately. So I encourage you to shop your own home. Revamp your old items. It makes me so happy when I see that I can revamp something from last year and give it a whole new look.
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Now guys, I also found this beautiful Fall in Love cushion. Now I picked this up last year at TK Maxx, guys, and I was so excited to bring it out. I love that my series here on YouTube is called Fall in Love with Fall, and I thought this Fall in Love cushion would go perfect in my decorating.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay.
Now guys, on my fireplace mantle, I had already put out 3 of these beautiful pumpkins that I already had. These were also from TK Maxx, guys. And what I've done is I've placed the garland on top of my mantle. I've hung below that the beautiful glam wreath. And then I placed the 3 pumpkins together.
I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them.
Now I placed my lighted canvases on my wall either side of my television, and I added those beautiful glam cushions to my throne chairs.
'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. When no one can break me, and no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
Guys, I absolutely love to decorate for fall. This is how I decorate for fall here in Australia right through to Halloween. I love incorporating some glam decor, and I'm especially drawn to gold, and I love how it goes with the coziness of my home.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. hit your face. We were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close.
Now guys, if you've been following my channel from the beginning, you know that my style has evolved in so many different ways. I have incorporated many styles of glam decor. I'm very into rustic glam at the moment, which you may have noticed throughout my home, and I'm loving that I can still incorporate this beautiful gold glitter throughout my home, giving it that rustic glam look.
I don't know what I would do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you.
Now guys, I also love to make over my two-tier tray. So here I'm adding some cute little pumpkins. Now these pumpkins, guys, were on a garland from TK Maxx. Now when I opened my box of fall decor, guys, this garland was completely tangled up, and I just seriously didn't have the patience to untangle it. It was almost like Christmas lights. So I decided that I'd just cut off the cute little pumpkins and use them as decorative pieces in my two-tier tray. I also had these adorable little birds, guys, and I just scattered them where I thought they looked cute. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video and got some wonderful ideas when decorating for the fall season. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. Friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.